YouTube. We're back at it with another video. I have the book here. Ooh, I have to reach. This is The Power by Rhonda Byrne. Cheese, thumbnail. This is, I revised it myself in my own gratitude journal here. Pages on pages. This is how to practice gratitude. And I'm just going to share this all with you here today. And hope you pay attention and you're tuned in and you watch my other videos and hear what I have to say. And I hope you learn something. The law of love. The universe is governed by natural laws. We can fly an airplane because aviation works in harmony with natural laws. The laws of physics didn't change for us to be able to fly, but we found a way to work in accordance with the natural laws. And by doing so, we can fly. Just as laws of physics govern aviation, electricity, and gravity, there is a law that governs love. To harness the positive force of love and change your life, you must understand its law. The most powerful law in the universe, the law of attraction. From the greatest to the smallest, the law of attraction is what holds every star in the universe and forms every atom and molecule. The force of attraction of the sun holds the planet in our solar system, keeping them from hurtling into space. The force of attraction and gravity holds you and every person, animal, plant, and mineral on Earth. The force of attraction can be seen in all of nature, from flowers attracting bees or a seed attracting nutrients, from the soil to every living creature being attracted to its own species. Therefore, the law of attraction operates through all animals on earth, fish, and in the sea, and the birds in the sky, leading them to the multiple forms of herds, schools, and flocks. The force of attraction holds together the cells of your body, the materials of your house, and the furniture you sit on, and it holds your car to the road, and the water in your glass. Every object you use is held together by the force of attraction. Attraction is the force that draws people to other people. It draws people from cities to cities, nations to nations, groups, clubs, and societies where they share interests. It is the force that pulls one person to science and another to cooking. It pulls people to various sports or to different styles of music, to certain animals and pets. Attraction is the force that draws you to your favorite things and places, and it's also the force that draws you to your friends and the people you love. The attractive force of love. So what is the force of attraction? The force of attraction is the force of love. Attraction is love. When you feel an attraction for your favorite food, you're feeling for that food. I like cereal. With attraction, you feel everything. All food is different to you. You know what to love, and you know what you love and what you don't love and what you don't want, because you see what you're attracted to. You will see what you're attracted to, whether it's another person, a particular city, house, car, sport, job, music, clothes, or anything, because it's through the force of attraction that you feel love. The law of attraction is the law of love. They are one and the same. The law of attraction is the law of love, and it's all powerful that keeps everything in harmony. From countless galaxies to atoms, it is operating in everything and through everything in the universe. It is the law that is operating in your life. In universal terms, the law of attraction states like attracts like. What that means in simple terms is for your life is that what you give out, you receive back. Whatever you give out in life is what you receive back in your life. Whatever you give by the law of attraction is exactly what you attract back to yourself. To every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Give to receive. Every action of giving creates an opposite reaction of receiving, and what you receive is always equal to what you've given. Whether you give out in life must return to you. It is the physics and the mathematics of the universe. Give positivity and you will receive back positivity. Give positivity, and you will receive back a life full of positive things. It's all through your thoughts and your feelings. In any moment, you're giving positive thoughts. In any moment, you're giving positive feelings. Through these thoughts dominate your mind and will determine what you receive back in your life. All the people, circumstances, and events that make up every moment in your life are being attracted to you by and through your feelings and thoughts that you're giving out. Life doesn't just happen to you. You receive everything in your life based on what you've given. Give, and it will be given to you. Give, and it will be given to you. For by the standard of measure, it will be measured to you in return. What you give, you receive. Give help and support to a friend, and most surely they will help and support you in return at lightning speed. You are creating your life with your thoughts and your feelings. Whatever you think and feel creates everything that happens to you and everything you experience in your life. Think and feel, life is really good to me. You will attract back to all the people, circumstances, and events that will make life really good for you. Because you are a magnet. The law of attraction is unfailingly giving you every single thing in your life based on what you've been giving out. You magnetize and receive the circumstances of wealth, health, and relationships, your job, every single event and experience in your life based on the thoughts and feelings you're giving out. Give out positive thoughts and feelings about money, and you magnetize positive circumstances, people, and events that bring more money to you. Whether humanity will consciously follow the law of love, I don't know. But need not to disturb me. The law will work just as the law of gravity. The law will work just as the law of gravitation works, whether others accept it or not. As surely as you think and feel, the law of attraction is responding to you. Your great thoughts will return to you automatically and precisely as an echo returns to the same words you send out. This means that you can change your life by changing your thoughts and feelings. Give positive thoughts and feelings and you will change your entire life. Through positive thoughts. Your thoughts are both the words you hear in your head and the words you speak out loud. When you say to somebody, "What a beautiful day," the first thought and then you spoke the words, those thoughts also become your actions. When you get out of bed in the morning, you had the thought of getting out of bed before you took the action. And the action is through the thought first. It is your thoughts that determine your words, and your actions are positive as your actions are positive. Your thoughts are positive when the thoughts of what you want and love. Whatever you want in your life, you want it because you love it. Take a moment to think about it. You only want what you love. When you think, when you think and talk about the things you want and love, such as, I love these shoes. You know what I mean. I love these shoes, they're beautiful. Your thoughts are positive, and the positive thoughts will come back to you as the things you love. Beautiful shoes. People who have great lives think and talk about what they love more. One word frees us, and that word is love. Let's talk about what we love here. You have to talk about what you love, the good news of the day. Talk about the appointment that went well. Talk about how you're being on time. Talk about how good it is to be full of health. Talk about the profits you want your business to achieve. Talk about the situations and the interactions you had in your day that went well. You have to talk about what you love to bring what you love to you. People who have great lives talk more about what they love. By doing so, they again have unlimited access to all the good in life. And they are free as the birds that soar the sky. To have a great life, give love and talk about what you love, and the love will set you free. Then you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free. Nothing is impossible for the force of love. No matter who you are, no matter what situation you may be facing, the force of love can set you free. Give only positive thoughts and feelings and words about your new perfect, beautiful wife and your life dreams. Even though you have no money, even though you may not have any money, you're applying yourself wholeheartedly to your dreams. Keep using the small items you need to use for your dreams. You'll meet your perfect partner. And after it all, you will move home to the city overlooking the lights where you will live in happiness. Refuse to talk about what you don't love. Always choose to give love and thank and talk about what you love only. And in doing so, you will free yourself and you will receive a beautiful life. You can change your life because you have an unlimited ability to think and talk about. You can change your life because you have an unlimited ability to think and talk about what you want. And so you have an unlimited ability to bring everything good into your life. The power you have is far greater, giving positive thoughts and words of the things you love, because the law of attraction is responding to your thoughts and feelings, and you have to feel love to harness its power. Love is the fulfilling side of the law. Love is not weak. Love is the positive force of life. Love is the cause of everything, positive and good. Everything you want to be or do have comes from love. The positive force of love can create anything good, increase good things, and change anything adverse in your life. Every day, in every moment, you can make the choice to harness the power of this positive force. The law of attraction is the law of love. And it is the law that is operating in your life. Whatever you give out in life is what you receive back in life. So that means keeping your mind locked and dominated by positive thoughts. Life doesn't happen to you. You receive everything in your life based on what you've been given. Your thoughts and feelings are good. They return as automatically and as precisely as an echo. People who have great lives think and talk about what they want and never about the opposite. Talk about the great news. Talk about what you love and bring what you love to you, and have an unlimited ability to think and talk about what you love, and so you have an unlimited ability to bring everything good into your life. Love, because when you love, you're using the greatest power in the universe. I want to stop here. Until the next video. Thank you. This is how to use the law of attraction, and this is the power of love. Thank you.